To integrate WorldPay direct into your website, start by creating a WorldPay account and obtaining your merchant ID and installation ID. These unique identifiers will be used to authenticate your transactions and connect your website to the WorldPay payment gateway. Next, choose the integration method that best suits your needs, either using the WorldPay payment section or a third-party library. If you choose the payment section, you will need to redirect your customers to the WorldPay website to complete their payment. If you prefer a more seamless experience, you can use a third-party library to integrate the payment form directly into your website. Before proceeding, ensure you have an SSL certificate installed on your website to secure sensitive customer data. Then, set up your payment form, including the required fields such as card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to include a submit button that will send the customer's payment information to the WorldPay payment gateway for processing. To handle the payment response, you will need to create a callback function that will receive the payment result from WorldPay. This function will verify the payment status and update your database accordingly. It is essential to handle both successful and failed payments to ensure a smooth customer experience. To enhance security, implement 3D secure authentication to add an extra layer of protection for your customers. This will redirect the customer to their bank's website to complete an additional authentication step before the payment is processed. Finally, test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and securely. Use the WorldPay test environment to simulate different payment scenarios and verify that your integration is handling each scenario as expected. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate WorldPay direct into your website and provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.